Good day, I am John Louis Tizon Arata and I am here to present my online portfolio using FB page. So for my online portfolio, I compile all my activities and tasks, lessons, grades, and other stuff in object-oriented programming. So here you can see it's my name, section, and our course. So here I explain the LMS, how it all started, and moving on, here's the proof of virtual meetings that we have. In here, I segregated all the chapters and the activities we make. So you can see the activities and reflection of mine in the comment section of each chapters. So this is chapter 1, and if you scroll up, you can see chapter 2, 3, 4, and 5, and all the reflection, activities, and lessons is in the comment section. And that's all. You can see the link below to follow and see my online portfolio. That's all. Thank you.